Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something we find some very nice stewing beef. Easy to cook, just we need a little bit of time. We need diced beef. I like the chuck steak because it's mixed. It's a little bit with marble inside, some fat, and the meat become very nice. We need celery. I use here 5 of these. Onions. I use here 4 onions, 3 garlic, and 4 whole carrots, and a bottle of red wine. Now I will show you. I'm gonna use this pot because it's nice for slow cook and for casserole dishes. Okay? Now I will show how I'm gonna cut this onion and veg like I already did. Okay, this is 3 onion, with this is 4. Just chop in half. Wash your finger. Oh, sorry guys. Anyway, chop like this. You don't have to be precise, and again like this. We need quite big. Okay, this is done. With knife just up and down, just like that, and the onion is done. Now the gas is already on here. A generous touch of olive oil, like that. Onion in, and we start. Oh, look at that. This string beef is gonna be very nice. I try to find my carrots again. The carrots, guys, just cut like this. Cut in the middle. Wash your finger again in the middle. And like this. Of course, adjust with salt, pepper, the spice you like. And this going in as well. Oh, look at that. Now it's the celery. This as well. Cut in the middle like this. And again. You're not gonna be precise because you're gonna slow cook around 3.5 hours, and all this stuff gonna be like sauce, beautiful. Go in. Now some garlic as well. This is not obligatory, but I recommend you. It's nice. If you like, put it. Okay, inside. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Is everything there. The ingredient, everything you need for cooking. Now, guys, we wait for brown all this veg. I will just do some first touch of salt and pepper, and later on the way you can use more. If you like, you can use some paprika. First step is this. Next, we're gonna put the meat inside. Now, when is the time? It's gonna be around 5 minutes like that, 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys. When you have something like that, is brown like that, is the time. The dice, I prefer big like that because they're gonna slow cook and they're gonna string a lot. Okay? But if you like small, you can put small dice. Okay? The meat is inside. Now we give a nice string here. Now we're gonna leave a good half an hour. Gas medium and lid on, and when is nice brown old meat, we're gonna add the red wine, all bottle. Someone cook it with beer. Someone cook it first half on the gas and finish in the oven. I like finish all on the gas. Okay. See you later when we're gonna add the wine. Okay. Okay. It's half an hour going. Oh, the smell, guys, is already absolutely wow. Adjust with salt and pepper. I like some paprika powder. I had some cumin seeds, but if you are allergic, I don't know. But if you add some cumin seeds, it's absolutely nice as well. Now is the time to put a bottle of wine, the red wine, and they're gonna cook in red wine. Or someone cook it in the beer. Oh yeah. Oh mio Dio. Now we're gonna leave this. The gas gonna be very not too strong, but slow. And lid on, check sometime, just stir it, and check salt and pepper if you like that. Around this gonna cook around 3.5 hours, okay? And later, I don't know which meat you use, if you need 4, but 3.5 is the time, okay? See you in 3.5 hours. I'm gonna be more precise later. Sometimes just go there and stir it, okay? See you later. 3.5 hours. Our stewing beef. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're gonna be beef stew is, oh, look at that. Creamy. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. It's already, it's 10 minutes I turn off the gas, and that's it. It's ready. Wait a little bit to cool down this one, and you can eat just like that. You can use like sauce for some pasta. It's very nice this as well. Or you can have some like I'm gonna have some bruschetta inside. This absolutely delicious with bread. You know, it's this, guys. Oh yeah, absolutely fantastic. You know, the onion is completely dissolved almost inside. Carrot, it's time to try now. Gonna be super hot. I try to find a little, yeah, the meat. Oh, look at that. Wow, another masterpiece. Well done, Piero. This guy is absolutely delicious. The work is just the beginner to chop all that vegetable, but in the end, you will leave 3 hours, 3.5 hours on gas, or if you want to finish in the oven. Anyway, the stewing beef, guys, is this delicious, amazing. I'm going to eat them soon. Is this? If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.